What's up, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Sarreen, and I'm here to guide you through a core strengthening yoga flow. Know that although this class is for everybody, all levels, anyone can do it, but this class is designed for the woman going through a postpartum journey. Of course, just as long as you have checked in with your doctor. When you are pregnant, there's only so much core work that you can do. So today we will work on recharging our center, our core. We will bring awareness to our entire body, but focusing more on the core and incorporating several of holds, really focusing on recharging our center, really giving you that strong charging sensation, because the stronger your core becomes, the stronger the rest of your body becomes. You don't need any equipment at all, just yourself, your energy, and an open mind and an open heart. And we will get started right away on our backs today. So when you're ready, just come to lying down on your back. Come into Shavasana pose. Find a comfortable placement on your back. Have your palms to face the ceiling. Just relax the muscles in your body right now. Relax your fingers and your toes. Close your eyes. And simply begin to focus on your breathing. Really bring awareness to your breath. And just letting go of anything else that you may have your mind on, release it. Take a big cleansing breath together. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Big exhale out of your mouth. And just continue to breathe regularly. Again, just focusing on you and the four corners of your mat, or if you don't have a mat, just simply focusing on you. Good. You may still have some tension in any parts of your body. Be sure to just release everything. Make yourself nice and heavy on the ground. And really bring awareness again to your center, your solar plexus chakra, inviting in strength, power, courage, discipline. And we'll take another big cleansing breath together. Take a deep inhale through your nose and an open mouth exhale. Nice. So when you're ready, bring both of your knees into your chest. And wrap your arms around your legs. When you're ready, we'll take a few rock and rolls. Rock, keep rocking until you find the momentum to come onto your seat, into your sits bones, but find a balance into boat pose, okay? So when you're ready, find your balance. So your boat pose may look like this. It may be supported with your toes down. Perhaps your toes are up and your fingertips are down, or you can straighten your legs all the way out. Completely up to you, however your boat pose looks. You know your body the best. Just be sure to fire up your core and really find that balance. Hold this for 4, 3, we'll come into a tabletop position in 2. Good, and 1. Cross your legs, plant your palms, and find a tabletop position. So stack your shoulders over your wrists and stack your hips over your knees. Once you've found your tabletop position, we will take time to warm up our spine. Take a deep inhale, cow pose, drop your belly down, work your gaze forward. Exhale, cat pose, round your spine, send your chin to your chest. We'll do that again. Inhale, cow pose, drop your belly, gaze forward. Exhale, cat pose, round your spine. Okay, so on your own, take a few more of these cat-cow poses as you continue to warm up your spine. You may even add a few neck rolls. Still getting warm here, whatever feels good to you. And when you're done, just find your way back to a neutral tabletop position. All right, so now warm up your wrists. Flip from your palms onto the top of your left palm and use your hips to rock forward and backwards. Okay, so we'll be on our palms a few times for this practice, so you really want to get your wrists nice and flexible and warm. You may even take your fingertips, turn them inward to the center, and rock left to right. Come back onto your left palm and do the same thing on your right. Flip it over onto the top of your right hand and then shift forward, backwards, left to right. And when you're ready, come back onto both palms. Take a deep inhale, tuck your left toes in. Exhale, slightly lift your knees off of your mat. Okay, so you need your core in order to do this. You should feel a slight charge into your core. Squeeze your core and hold this. Feel the charge for 4, 3, downward facing dog in 2. Good, and 1. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your hips up. You may need to separate your feet a little more. You may need to bend your knees, whatever feels best for your body. And just walk your dog here. Pedal out your legs if you need to. Really feel that beautiful hamstring stretch. And when you're ready, come back to just a still downward facing dog. Big inhale. Open mouth exhale. Nice. So inhale, shift forward into a high plank. So stack your shoulders over your wrists. Know that if this is too much, you're welcome to come down on your knees, or you're able to come down onto your elbows. However, take the time to really challenge yourself. If you're able to get on your palms, get on your palms. We're only holding this for 5 seconds. For 4, 3, back to downward facing dog in 2. Good, and 1. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lovely. Inhale, gaze at the top of your mat. Exhale, walk your feet towards your hands and slowly rise up to standing. Really feel this in your spine. Slowly uncurl all the way up. And Lovely. Bring your hands to your heart. Close your eyes. Stack your hips over your ankles. Stack your shoulders over your hips. Relax your shoulders down away from your ears. Again, begin to turn more inward. Really focus on your center. Good, and take a moment to meditate here and set an intention for today's practice, for your practice. It can be anything that inspires you. You can dedicate your practice to someone, to yourself, or maybe a particular goal that you have. Just take some time here to set that intention for your practice. If you cannot think of an intention, I can offer you the intention to invite strength into this practice, the sensation of power, courage, discipline, anything around the solar plexus energy, to incorporate that into your practice and into your life, on and off of your mat. Okay, whatever your intention is, seal that in with a big inhale through your nose and an open mouth exhale. Nice. Flutter your eyes open. Release your hands by your sides. And we'll begin our sun salutation A. Have your arms by your sides. Take a deep inhale, lift your arms up nice and high. Good. Exhale, forward fold. Lower your hands down to your mat. You may need to bend your knees, that's perfectly fine. Stack your hips over your ankles. Inhale, halfway lift. Reset your spine, flat back. Exhale, high plank. Just like we did earlier, plant your palms. Step your feet back. Then you can stay here or use your core to come into a low plank by bending your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra if you'd like to drop your knees down. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Tuck your toes in, shoot your hips up and back. Nice. See how you really need your core in order to do any of these poses, to do any of this flow. So we will do that again twice. We'll move a little bit faster, but again, incorporate your core. Really invite that energy of power and recharging. Okay, inhale, gaze at the top of your mat. Exhale, step to the top. Good, inhale, reset your spine, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reach your arms up nice and high. Exhale, forward fold, come down. Inhale, halfway lift, reset your spine. Exhale, high plank, plant your palms down, step your feet back. Stay here and hold it, or lower down for more of a charge. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful, let's do that one more time. Inhale, gaze at the top of your mat. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, halfway lift, reset your spine. Exhale, forward fold, come down. You got this. One last time. Inhale, raise arms. Good. Exhale, forward fold. Release your fingers down to your mat. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, high to low plank. Plant your palms, step your feet back. Good. Inhale, upward facing dog, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Nice. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Big exhale out of your mouth. Lovely. We'll move on. Take a deep inhale. Lift your right leg high. Keep your hips squared forward. You should feel a hamstring stretch into your left leg. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale, step your right foot in between your hands. So you should have a 90-degree angle in your right knee. Inhale, warrior two. Cartwheel your arms and reach your arms out by your sides. Again, find a 90-degree angle in your knee. If you can, your right knee. Your back leg is straight and strong. Relax your shoulders down away from your ears and gaze over your right middle finger. Good. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale, bring both palms back down. Step your right foot back. High plank. Now take your left palm and place it at the center of your mat or your elbow. What we're going to do is roll over to a side plank. So inhale, side plank. If this is too much, know that you can come down on your left knee, or you can even come down on your left elbow. Completely up to you. Have your shoulders, hips, and your ankle all in one straight line. Fire up your core for 4, 3, high plank in 2, and 1. Exhale, back to high plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Big exhale out of your mouth. We'll do the same thing on the left side. Inhale, lift your left leg high. Good. Exhale, plant your left foot in between your hands. Spin your right heel back. Inhale, warrior two. Windmill your arms. Into your warrior two, relax your shoulders down just like before. Have a 90-degree angle on your left knee. Back leg is straight. Big inhale here. Exhale, come back down, step your left foot back. Now this time place your right palm at the center of your mat. Roll over to the side. Whatever variation you did on your left side, be sure to even it out. Do the same thing on this side. Hold here, side plank for 4, 3, high plank in 2, and 1. Exhale, high plank. Inhale, stay here or come all the way down, your option. Inhale, upward facing dog. Roll your shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Nice. So our last challenge of this practice is to come onto your elbows, interlace your fingers, come onto your toes, and using your toes will shift back and forth only 10 times. All right? So shift forward and backwards using your core. 2, good. 3, squeeze. Your body can do it. Get your brain out of the way. 4, good. 5, squeeze. 6, 7, good. 8, on your knees, and 9, and 10. Nice, lower your knees down. Come up on your knees. Place your right hand on your heart, left hand on your belly. Close your eyes. We'll take a big cleansing breath. Deep inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Nice. So when you're ready, swing over, back onto your seat. Come down on your back. And be sure that your knees are stacked over your heels. Have your arms by your side. We'll take a bridge pose. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, bridge pose. Lift your hips up as high as you can. And know that you can stay here. This is perfectly fine. Or you can interlace your fingers and use your arms to push your hips up even higher. Okay, hold this for 4, 3, lower your hips down in 2, and 1. Exhale, lower your hips down. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Butterfly your knees open. Place your right hand on your heart and your left hand on your belly. Take a moment to feel the pulse of your heart beating. Really take the moment to feel the pulse of your heart beating. Really appreciate this gift, this space of love, the energy of empowerment, recharging, and when you're ready, grab your knees and close them like a book. Bring your knees into your chest. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale, happy baby pose. Butterfly your knees open. Send your footprints to face the ceiling, maybe even rock back and forth from side to side. You may even extend one leg out or the other. Or maybe take any back bend or anything else you may need to stretch out all that core work we just did. Whatever feels good. We're cooling down now. And when you're ready, grab your knees, close them. Keep your right knee into your chest and lower your left leg down. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale, supine twist. Guide your right knee across your body. Extend your right arm out and work your gaze to the right. When ready, bring both knees back to center. Swap out your legs. Left leg comes into your chest, right leg comes down. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, supine twist again. Guide your left knee across your body. Extend your left arm out and work your gaze to your left. Go ahead and bring both knees back into your chest. This time, create the tiniest ball possible. Give yourself a nice big hug. Bring your forehead to your knees and your chin to your chest. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale just how we started, Shavasana. Have your arms by your sides. Release any tension in your body. Close your eyes. Take a moment to absorb all of the asanas that we just did. Take the moment to absorb the energy of charging, recharging. And simply breathe here. And stay in this pose as long as you'd like.